Hi everyone, and welcome to Titan's Impact 840 and 1140 Fluid Section Replacement video. In this video, we'll be showing you how to replace the fluid section on your 840, 840i, 840IA, 1140, 1140i, or 1140IA sprayer. This video is not a substitute for reading the manual. Consult the manual for additional details. Before replacing the fluid section on your sprayer, remember to perform the pressure relief procedure. For a complete walkthrough of the procedure, check out the Impact Series setup and startup video. Let's start by removing the front 4 cover screws, then turn the sprayer on. From this point, there are 2 different paths you'll need to follow to set your sprayer's piston in the lowest position, depending on if your sprayer has a digital display or not. If your sprayer does not have a digital display, use the MyTitan app and the following steps. First, open the MyTitan app and connect to your IA sprayer. Then, access the Diagnostics menu for your sprayer. Turn the pressure up to engage the piston. Then select Creep Mode from the Diagnostics menu. Gradually turn the pressure control knob clockwise to increase the pressure. The piston will begin to move slowly. Once the piston reaches the lowest position of the stroke, turn the pressure control knob counterclockwise to stop the piston movement. If your sprayer does have the digital display, you'll need to use the pressure control and the digital display to enter creep mode, which will assist with the placement of the piston. First, set the pressure to minimum by turning the pressure control knob to the min setting. The digital display should read Prime once this is done. Then press the number 1 key on the digital display and the creep mode screen will appear. Gradually turn the pressure control knob clockwise to increase the pressure. The piston will begin to move slowly. Once the piston reaches the lowest position of the stroke, turn the pressure control knob counterclockwise to stop the piston movement. Turn off the pump and unplug the machine. Separate the return line from the siphon tube by removing the metal clamp. If you are servicing an 840 or 840i sprayer, next loosen and remove the siphon tube assembly using a wrench. These sprayers do not have a tilt-back cart, so this is necessary in order to gain enough clearance to remove the fluid section. Next, loosen the high-pressure line from the rear of the fluid section. For the 840 unit, this will require a wrench. The 1140 can be loosened by hand. If you're working with an 840 sprayer, now use a soft-faced hammer to tap the locking nut on the fluid section to loosen it. Then, rotate the fluid section counterclockwise until it completely unthreads from the pump housing. You may do this by hand, but may need to use a wrench to break it free initially. For the 1140, depress the button on the quick release lever and flip the lever down. Slide the fluid section forward until it clears the T-slot and drops free. To install your new fluid section, reverse the steps. Thanks for watching the Impact 840 and 1140 Fluid Section Replacement video. If you have any questions, please refer to your user manual or contact Titan's Technical Service Team.